Hi guys, I am Sunny Khanpara from Galaxy, and today we are going to see how to use Polar Grid tool in Adobe Illustrator CC. As well as in last we are going to see how to create a little designs with this tool. So stay tuned. So first I would like to tell you to subscribe my channel so you will get notified for every uploads. So first select Polar Grid tool and left click on your artboard. As you can see, this one is a dialog box of your Polar Grid. So at this time I'm just selecting 800 as my width, 800 height, and here is the option of concentrating dividers, which I am just selecting 3. There was a 50% skew, I'm just making it to 0, and 21 dividers I'm just changing it to 18. Then I'm just unchecking this option of fill grid, then OK. So as you can see, this polar is exactly same as we defined in this dialog box. Now with selection tool I'm just selecting this shape and just delete it. With this skew option we can actually define the space between concentric dividers and radial dividers. Just then OK. So now as you can see how it works, this option Q. Now just I am deleting this option. Again I am just changing it as it was by default settings. Here 0 as well as here 0. Then can one time OK and then delete it. Okay. Now just selecting this Polar Grid tool. If you will press shift key, it will be drawn precisely. With up arrow key you can add concentric dividers in this Polar Grid. With down arrow key you can just decrease these concentric dividers. With side arrow key you can actually increase and decrease your radial dividers like this. Okay. Now we are going to see how to use Polar Grid tool for designing. Okay, here is 2 and I am choosing 16 as my radial dividers, and I don't want fill, so I'm just clicking OK. As I told you, with shift key you can draw precisely, so I'm just deleting this. I'm just ungrouping this and this one. Okay. With shift and alter key you can precisely scale this ellipse as well as here. Now with Ctrl plus Shift plus F9, so we can pathfind, so we can use Pathfinder. At this time I'm just selecting on divide. Okay. Now ungroup these shapes. Now I'm just deleting these lines because I don't want it. Now this one, this one, this one. Now selecting this all and just press unite. Okay. Now as you can see, here is a none fill and black stroke. I just want to swap it, so I'm just pressing shift plus X, which is a shortcut. Okay. So here is my icon of settings. So now you will know how to use Polar Grid tool in Adobe Illustrator. So if you like this video, do not forget to like it on YouTube. If you have any question or related to this video, just comment it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video guys.